If you're unpaid on a Colorado construction project and want to file a mechanics lien to get paid, then this is the perfect video for you. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through all the steps you need to take, as well as the requirements and deadlines you need to meet in order to file a Colorado mechanics lien. So before we even get to the lien claim itself, all Colorado lien claimants must send a notice of intent to lien at least 10 days before filing their actual lien claim. So this notice should be served either by personal service or by registered or certified mail, with return receipt requested. It's a crucial step. Proof of serving this notice must be filed along with a Colorado mechanics lien. And this notice must be given at least 10 days before a Colorado mechanics lien is filed. And the notice of intent is not going to extend the mechanics lien deadline. That means it's important to plan ahead before filing your Colorado lien. Once you've served the notice of intent to lien, you're ready to take the first step, preparing your mechanics lien form. Make sure you get the correct Colorado mechanics lien form based on your specific role on the project. If you're unsure about where to get the correct form, you can always go to levelset.com to download free Colorado mechanics lien templates. We have separate forms for subs and suppliers and for GCs, which were created and reviewed by construction attorneys and payment experts. Thousands of Colorado contractors and suppliers like you have relied on these Colorado mechanics lien forms to get paid. Now that you've got the correct form, it's time to produce the lien document. A Colorado mechanics lien must be signed and sworn to by the party claiming the lien or someone on their behalf. It must also be notarized and must contain the following information: name of property owner, your information, the GC's information if you're not the GC yourself, property description sufficient for identification, correct lien amount, an affidavit of serving the notice of intent to lien at least 10 days before filing the lien, and signature and notarization. So some of this information might be hard to find. If you need help clarifying what's required, you can always check out our free state-by-state mechanics lien resources on levelset.com, or call or live chat with a payment expert who can help you get all the details right. Now, the next step is to serve your Colorado mechanics lien. This isn't an official step, but it can help speed up the payment recovery process. Making the owner aware of the lien might prompt payment before having to initiate an enforcement lawsuit. So since formal service of the lien is not a specific requirement in Colorado, you can choose how and when you want to send the lien to the owner. And any way you want to do it is fine. So this step could actually be taken before or after the lien is actually filed. After you serve your lien, now it's finally time to file your mechanics lien. It's crucial to make sure a Colorado mechanics lien is filed on time. Colorado has strict lien deadlines, and missing a deadline will invalidate the lien claim. Now, the time that you have to file a Colorado mechanics lien depends on your role in the project and the specific project type. Most claimants must file their lien no later than 4 months after the last day that labor or material was provided to the project. Punch list items and remedial work will not extend this time frame. If you're a laborer who didn't provide materials to the project, then you must file the lien after the last labor was performed, and then within 2 months of project completion. For a 1 or 2 family home, the normal 4-month lien deadline can be shortened to 2 months if the home is sold to a bona fide purchaser who isn't aware of the potential lien claim. In addition to making sure you file your lien on time, you also need to make sure that you file your lien in the right county recorder's office. Now, generally, the lien must be filed with the county recorder's office in the county where the work was performed. At Levelset.com, we've compiled all of the Colorado County offices that record mechanics liens, along with links to their websites, to make this process easier for you. Once you've identified the right county recorder's office, it's time to figure out how to actually file your lien. Now, most counties in Colorado allow for mechanics liens to be electronically recorded if you have an account with an electronic recording system. and creating one is actually pretty easy. Otherwise, the lien may be delivered to the proper county via mail or FedEx, or personally walked in to be recorded. Now, if you choose to e-record, only one copy of the lien will be required. So make sure that a copy of the affidavit of service of the notice of intent to lien is uploaded as an exhibit too. If you decide to personally deliver the lien for recording, or if you mail or FedEx the lien to the appropriate county, the steps are a bit different. In either situation, you'll need to send 2 original copies of your lien and affidavit of delivery. One copy is for the recorder to keep and record. The second copy is for the recorder to return to you. You should also bring multiple blank checks to get the filing fee right. Now, if you're mailing it in, call ahead and ask the recorder for the relevant fees. You must prove the lien was served by having an affidavit executed indicating the notice was served either personally or mail served. This affidavit and the notice of intent must eventually be attached with the mechanics lien filed in the county's recording office. Make sure the margins and paper size are correct for the county. If you're mailing your lien in, you can call the county beforehand and ask about the relevant margins and specifications. Once you have a stamped copy of the recorded lien in your possession, then you have an official recorded mechanics lien. Congratulations! You've just taken a major step towards getting paid on your job. After your mechanics lien is on the books, it only stays effective for 6 months of the date the project was completed, or labor or materials were last furnished to the project. After this 6-month period, if that lien isn't foreclosed, then it will become void and unenforceable. So you'll likely want to either enforce the lien or release the lien by the time your 6-month deadline is approaching. We hope this video has been helpful in your lien filing process. Filing a lien by yourself is a daunting task, but if you're ready and willing to go it alone, just follow the steps above to ensure that your lien is filed properly. And don't forget, we're always here if you want to take the stress out of filing a mechanics lien. If you have any other construction payment questions, head over to levelset.com to get payment help from our lawyers or live chat with one of our payment experts. And if you want to see more construction payment videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And remember, payment help is here.